That itchy, stubborn, dry cough that keeps you up at night? Let's fix it naturally. A dry cough means your throat's irritated and missing moisture, no mucus, just raw nerves begging for relief. Start with honey, it coats your throat like a soothing shield. Sip warm ginger tea, it fights inflammation and relaxes the cough reflex. Inhale steam to rehydrate your airways and calm that tickle inside. Avoid cold air, stay hydrated, and skip caffeine, it dries you out even more. Within days, your throat starts healing itself as nerves calm and tissues repair. Your body can heal, you just have to help it a little. Follow for more natural body science.